The three cranial nerves that control the extrinsic eye muscles, they begin with the letters O-A-T, so it spells oat. I'm going to go in order of cranial as far as their Roman numerals are concerned, though. So we have cranial nerve number 3, the oculomotor nerve, cranial nerve number 4, which is difficult to see because it originates on the superior surface of the brainstem, but this is cranial nerve number 4, the trochlear nerve, and then cranial nerve number 6, the abducens nerve, which originates at the junction between the pons and the medulla. So oculomotor, abducens, trochlear, those three, the first letter spells oat. If we look at the muscles of the eye that are controlled by these nerves, 4 of the 6 extrinsic eye muscles are controlled by cranial nerve number 3, the oculomotor. Those muscles are the superior rectus muscle, the medial rectus muscle, the inferior rectus muscle, and the inferior oblique. So I went over these muscles in a previous video. If you remember, on this model, the inferior oblique is cut. On this model that is in the orbit of the eye, the inferior oblique muscle runs obliquely the inferior surface of the eye. So those 4, the superior rectus, the medial rectus, the inferior rectus, and the inferior oblique are all controlled by cranial nerve number 3, the oculomotor. Then cranial nerve number 4, the trochlear, controls the trochlear muscle, which is also referred to as the superior oblique. So here in this model, the superior oblique muscle is cut. Here you can see so all we're seeing is the tendon. That is the tendon of the superior oblique. Here you can see the superior oblique. So the trochlear nerve, cranial nerve number 4, controls the superior oblique muscle. And then the last one is the lateral rectus that abducts the eye, is controlled by the abducens nerve, cranial nerve number 6. So the lateral rectus muscle that abducts the eye is controlled by the abducens nerve, cranial nerve number 6. So those are the cranial nerves that control the extrinsic eye muscles.